Successful people do not become that way overnight. What most people see at a glance happiness, wealth, a great career, purpose is the result of hard work and hustle over time. To be successful, you have to use each day as an opportunity to improve, to be better, to get a little bit closer to your goals. It might sound like a lot of work and with a busy schedule, next to impossible. But the best part is, the more you accomplish, the more you will want to do, the higher you will want to reach. So, as long as you have the hunger for success, you will always have the power within you to achieve it. Your limitation, it's only your imagination. Push yourself because no one else is going to do it for you. Sometimes later becomes never. Do it now. Do today's duty. Fight today's temptation. Do not weaken and distract yourself by looking forward to things you cannot see and could not understand if you saw them. Each day of your life, as soon as you open your eyes in the morning, you can steer away from a happy and successful day. It's the mood and the purpose of the inception of each day that are the important facts in charting your course for the day. We can always steer away for a fresh start, no matter. Great things never come from comfort zones. Success doesn't come to those who dream for it, but success comes to those who work for it. Remember, success comes to those who sweat out for it. Successful people do what unsuccessful people are not willing to do. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. Thomas Watson says that, would you like me to give you a formula for the success? It's quite simple, really. Double your rate of the failure. You are thinking of failure as the enemy of success, but isn't at all. You can be discouraged by failure or you can learn from it. So go ahead and make mistakes. Make all you can, because remember that's where you will find the success. Believe that you can become the greatest. Even if you don't, you will come way further than if you believed you could not. Limits only exist in one's mind. Be bold enough to aim higher. Be brave enough to live the life of your dreams according to your vision and purpose instead of expectations and opinion of others. Never ever give up on your dreams. Believe in yourself and the world is yours. The beginning is always today. Procrastination on anything is why people set goals every year and then lays around on doing them some other time. As the post suggests, do it today. Unleash the hidden beast inside you and let the entire world know what you are capable of doing.